Hi children. In this class we will learn about new lesson that is called greater than, less than and equal to. What is our topic name? Greater than, less than and equal to. Whenever we will compare any two quantities or any two numbers, we will use greater than, less than and equal to. Okay. Before that, I want to tell a story. Do you want to listen a story? Yes. Listen properly, my dears. Okay. There was a big crocodile. There was a big crocodile. It was very hungry. It was very hungry. Whenever we will feel hungry, what we will take? We will take food. So, this crocodile also want to eat food. Okay. Whenever it will feel hungry, it want to take more food. Crocodile wants to take more food. See, observe. Here, crocodile is there. Yes, this side, it was very hungry. This side, 6 fish are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of fish are there. Coming to this side, how many? 1, 2. 2 fish are there. So it wants to, it will feel hungry, right? It wants to eat more. Which side more fish? Come on, tell me. Left side, right? Left side, right? So this crocodile opened its mouth to the which side? Left side. More quantity side. Left side. See? More quantity side. Left side. So this is the symbol of greater than. Greater side. It is opened its mouth to greater side. It is the symbol of greater than. Greater than means it opened its mouth to left side. So here 6 is there, 6 number, 6 fish are there, here 2. Which number is greater? 6. So it opened, how it will be? Like this. This is the symbol of greater than. Understood? We will see some examples, dears. Here, what is this number? 9. 4. Here 9 and 4 is there, right? Which number is greater? Crocodile wants to eat more. Big number, right? So, we open its mouth to big number side. Big number side, left side. This is the symbol of left side means it is the symbol of greater than. First greater number is there. Observe. First greater number is there. So, it is the symbol of greater than. Now, one more. 10. Yes? You know numbers, right? Yes. 10 and 2. We are comparing numbers. See, which number is greater, greater, big, large number, same. Okay? Now, tell me which one is greater number here? 10. Crocodile opened its mouth to greater number side. So 10 is greater than 2. 9 is greater number is there. You have to observe greater number is there first. 9 is greater than 4. Okay, 6 is greater than 2. 4 and 1 is there. Which number is greater here? Crocodile, whenever it will feel hungry, it wants to eat more. So, more number side, it will open its mouth. So, frame sentence, shall we frame sentence? 4. 4 is a greater number. So, we kept a greater than symbol. 4 is greater than 1. 4 is greater than 1. One more. Shall we frame sentence? Give symbol. Which side? Big number side. 5 is greater than 3. Okay dears? Understood? See. Greater than. It is the symbol of greater than. Greater side. This crocodile wants to eat more. Greater. See? Greater than. How it will be? Which side it will open its mouth? Left side. 9 is greater than 4. First observe. First number is greater number. 10 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 3. Understood dears? Now open your textbooks. Page number 80. Here. Greater than. Greater than is there. Here symbol also is there. Count, write and put the sign of greater than. You have to count which side more quantity is there. Here. Fish. How many fish? 4. Coming to this side, 2 fish. Crocodile wants to eat more, right? So, more side, it opened its mouth. See, this is the symbol of greater than. Observe and keep sign. Okay dears? Thank you.